Right now I have opened the Visual Studio Code which we already installed, but right now your screen might be different from mine because I have installed some of the extensions and theme which made my VS Code looks different from yours. If you want, you can just go to the resources and you can just see whatever extensions I have installed. You can just go there and just download it if you want. So let me just move to the next step, that is creating a React app. Actually, if you have seen the React apps before, you must have take a look at the folder structure that it have different files like a app.jsx file, an index file. So there will be lot of files. You would get a clear idea where if we start creating one. For that, you need a terminal. Actually, in VS Code, the highlight is we have an inbuilt terminal which we can use. So for opening that, we have to go to this terminal and we can click on this new terminal. Yeah, we got one. And if you want, you can just change the folder directory. I'll just change it to my desktop. So here we can create a new React app by typing the command npx create, sorry, a small spell mistake there, create React app space and the project name which you want. I'll put as first React app. That's it. So this will take some time. So you can just see it's installing the three packages. So these three are the important packages for working with the React. So the React and the React DOM and the React scripts. So once we get into the project, we will just see what are these three packages and what are the help of these three packages. So let it install. Until that we have to wait. Here it is. The React app has been installed successfully. So we can just start it. You can see the steps here. You have to first change your directory, then you have to just type yarn start. If you get npm start, you can just use that also. Just change my directory to React app and then I'll just type yarn start. So this will generally start your server. So React server. We'll just wait till it start. You can see here it's starting the development server. So let me wait. Yeah, now you can see it has been compiled successfully. You can now view your React app in the browser. This is your local server. You can just go there and find it. Yeah, here you can see the local host 3000. So this is the home page of the every React app which you create. So this is the initial starting page or the landing page of your React app. Now let me see what are the files present in our project folder. For that, I'll just go to the file and add folder to the workspace. You can just select the folder from here. Yeah, here it is. I'll just click the add. We see what are the files present here. So here you can see there is a node modules file which has all the files regarding to your packages which you have installed right now. So right now we have installed three packages, the React script and React DOM. So the files regarding that packages have been present here. So this is a public folder which you can see it has a index.html file and a fav icon and a logo and a manifest.json file. So generally whatever things regarding the React you will be doing in this source folder. Inside that you can see a app.js file, a app.css file, so index.js file and different files, but we are not going to use all these things because we don't need these things for working with the React app. This is a general structure for our React app. We can just delete the things which we not need now. So first we'll just open the app.js file and just see what the things are here. Yeah, here you can just see edit source app.js and save to reload, which you see here. So things which you typed here in this app.js file have been loaded there. So let me see how this has been loaded there. So here you can file an index.js file. If I go there, you can see a react dom.render and inside that you can just see react.strict_mode app. So here you can see the app tag has been used. So the tag has been imported from here. import app from dot slash app. So this dot slash will denote that the file is present in the same folder. So here this file has been imported in the name app and it has been used as a tag. So this is called JSX. So you will see this in the next lesson.